Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. The move of the day is lifting sun and moon. It's like you have the sun in one hand and the moon in the other, and you lift them up the sides of your body till you get to chest level, and then you let the arms move down. When you lift sun and moon to chest level, you open up the chest, taking a large breath, filling up the chest. Let's practice lifting sun and moon. To start our practice, we enter into a Qigong state of mind, relaxed, focused on one thing, calm and tranquil. Long, slow, deep breaths, connecting the mind to the body. We make adjustments to the body too. Ergonomic standing position, like you are seated in a tall chair. Relax into this structure, and then relax from head to toe. So we're going to start at the front of the body, relaxing the front. Relaxing the back, from the back of the head down to the heels. Settling, sinking. Internally, sigh of relief. Or a sigh of satisfaction. Smile from your heart, and then begin lifting sun and moon. Relax the body so the body can drift within this structure. The structure allows you some movement, especially when you relax and release tension. Inhale up. Exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. You can close your eyes to relax more. You can breathe in through your nose if you can, out through your nose or out through your mouth with a sigh of relief. Whichever feels right to you. Enjoy your breathing. Enjoy your practice. And then let your hands just float down. And let everything settle. And rub your hands together, warming your palms through friction. Warm palms over your eyes. Enjoy the darkness, enjoy the stillness. Blink open, allow a little bit of light in. Lift the palms. Dry wash the face. You can even just hover. And then rub your ears. Rubbing coins like a worry stone. Point on the earlobes. All the way around, front and back. Increase circulation. And I'll see you tomorrow.